Hi, Steve again from Awesome, and I'm here again in the training room talking about some products. Today, a little bit of controversy for you here. Who are the real drivers, manual or DSG? Today we're going to concentrate a little bit on new manual guys. We're going to talk about shifter bushings and short shift kits. So firstly, we'll have a look at the shifter bushings. Something tiny, something cheap, something really, really easy to fit, and something that makes a profound difference to how the gear change feels, removes a lot of the slop that you'd feel from either worn or the OE plastic bushings, and makes a massive difference to how the car drives. Available from various different brands. We keep them on our website. Of course, today I've got the 034 ones in front of me, but there are some other options out there as well. Many, many applications. It can be quite tricky to pick which ones that you want. So give us a call. We've got a specialist in our sales department that will be happy to help and point you in the right direction. Moving on to the short shift kits. As you will see here, we've got at the moment the APR one. Again, we have many different brands available for these, many different prices. This one is for the fore and aft movement, and this one is for the side to side movement. You can fit one or the other or both, and both of them make a huge difference to how the car feels and how the gear change feels. So this will shorten the throw of the gear lever, more racy feel, a tighter feel, a more precise change. A really, really worthwhile upgrade for anybody that's got a manual car. Of course, all of these are available on our website, and as I said earlier, sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to pick which one you need for your car. Give us a call, speak to our sales team, we'll be happy to help you.